Waimoku Falls is located on the island of Maui's southeast side. Towards the end of Hana Highway, you will find the entrance to the Haleakala National Park Visitor Center. From the Visitor Center, a nice warm-up hike would be to take the upper or lower Kuloa Point Trail towards the 7 sacred pools, after which you will have to cross the Hana Highway and continue up the PPY Trail. Along the beautiful Oheo Gulch as it meanders through patches of bamboo, and steep drop-offs, and more stone steps. Continuing up the Palakia stream, you will finally be rewarded with a view of the Makahika Falls overlook. Just past the falls is another photo op, an enormous banyan tree, which is not native to the islands but is actually a native of India. The first banyan tree was planted on Maui in April 1873. After the banyan tree, you will come to the first pedestrian-only bridge.
Okay, we've reached one of the bridges, or one of the second bridges. The first one's over there. There's the second one. We still gotta climb. Here we go. It's real slippery. Just about everybody's covered ankle deep in mud. Wow, it's pretty slippery here and wet. Oh, my ankles are killing me. Whoa. We're almost there. A few more feet, I can see the falls right there. See the trees. This is a really beautiful place. Oh, gosh. That's what we came through. Forest above. Canopy. Let's keep going. Whoa! Watch where I'm stepping. Okay, we're getting closer because I can hear the falls and I can see them through the trees here. Look at that. Almost there. Oh my goodness. Let's keep going. Well, here we are at the base of the falls, Waimoku Falls. 400 something feet of splendor. Well, let's go check it out. Oh, slippery down here. Watch your step. Some flowers in here. Wow. Okay, we've reached the base here. gosh. Woo. Oh my gosh. Amazing.